Welcome students. Today we'll cover book 1 module 1 algebra check your progress 1.1. The first question is identify rational numbers and integers from the following: 4 minus 3 by 4, 5 by 6, minus 36, 12 by 7, minus 3 by 8, 15 by 7 and minus 6. Okay, so first we'll see what are rational numbers. Anything that is in the form of p by q, anything that is in the form of p by q is a rational number. All right, now we can write 4 as 4 by 1. It is in the form of p by q, so 4 is a rational number. Minus 3 by 4 minus p by q, so it is a rational number. Similarly 5 by 6 minus 36, we can write minus 36 as minus 36 by 1. 12 by 7 minus 3 by 8, 15 by 7 and minus 6. So these are rational number. Now what are integers? Here minus 3 by 4 is not an integer. Okay, 4 minus 36, this is not an integer, this is not an integer, this is not an integer, this is an integer. Okay, so what is the definition of integer? From minus infinity to positive infinity including 0. Okay, these are integers. For example, minus 5, minus 2, these are all integers, but minus 1 by 2 is not an integer, it is a rational number. Next, from the following identify those which are not natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. Okay, let's check. Minus 7 by 4, let's check for the natural number first. This is not a natural number. What is the definition of natural numbers? From 1 to infinity in the number line, from 1 to infinity is a natural number. So this is not a rational number. 16 is a rational number. This is rational number. This is not. This is not. This is not. This is not. So except 16, all are not natural numbers. All right. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers? From 0 to infinity, those are called whole number. So you have to omit 0 and 16 and others all are not whole numbers. Next, which are integers? So what is the definition of integers? From minus infinity to positive infinity including 0. Okay, so we have 16, 15, 0. Apart from this, all are not integers, not rational numbers. Now you can see this is a rational number, 16 is a rational number, minus 3 by 7 is a rational number, minus 15, 0, 5 by 17, 3 minus 4, 3 by minus 4, minus 4 by 3. Now some of will ask me why 0 is a rational number. Okay, why 0 is a rational number? We write rational number in the form p by q. But is 0 is a rational number? Yes, definitely it is a rational number. How? We can write 0 by 1 equals to 0, providing q not equals to 0. Okay, the denominator should not be 0, that is 0 by 1 is equals to 0, hence it is a rational number. Next, by making the following rational numbers with the same denominator, simplify the following and specify whether the result in each case is a natural number, whole number, integer, or a rational number. 3 plus 7 by 3. After taking LCM, we see 3 into 3 plus 7 by 3. 3 into 3, 9 plus 7 by 3. 16 by 3. So 16 by 3 is a rational number. Minus 3 plus 10 by 4. Take the LCM. Minus 3 into 4 plus 10 by 4. Minus 3 into 4 minus 12 plus 10. So minus 2 by 4 equals to minus 1 by 2. And minus 1 by 2 is a rational number. Minus 8 minus 13. We get minus 21. It is a rational number as well as integer. Okay. Minus 12, it is 0. So what do we get? 0. Is it a natural number? No, it is not a rational number. It is a whole number. Yes, it is a whole number. It is an integer. Yes, it is an integer. Is a rational number. Yes, it is a rational number. So we get 3 types. 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 9 minus 1 by 2 by taking LCM. We take LCM 2. So we get here 2. 9 minus 1, 8 equals to 4. And we know 4 is a natural number. It is a whole number. It is an integer. It is a rational number. So all are correct. Next, 2 into 5 by 7. We get 2 into 5 by 7. So 10 by 7. So 10 by 7 is rational number. Okay. 8 divided by 3. We cannot proceed after this. 8 by 3. So it is a rational number. Now use the number line to add the following. 9 plus minus 7. So what do we get if we add 9 minus 7 equals to 2? Let's represent this on a number line. Now let's put 9 here. Okay. From 9 we will subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have subtracted 7. So we got 2. You can also represent this in this format, or minus 1, minus 2. Both are equally correct. Okay. So you get the answer 2. Next, minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3 equals to minus 8. Let's represent this on a number line. First we'll go for minus 5. Okay. Then we'll go again minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Or you can directly write here minus 3. So we got minus 8 here. Done. Minus 3 plus 4. If we add, we get 1. In the number line, place minus 3. Then add 4. 1 quadrant, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Plus 4. We get 1 here. So in this way you can represent number line. Those who have not understood my video, please go back. Either pause it. Okay. Pause the video. Watch again. If you do not understand, watch again. Okay. And if you have any doubts, write in the comment box below. I will try to solve it out. Okay. Next question. Which of the following are rational number in lowest form? Lowest term. Okay. First, 8 by 12. 8 we have factor 4 into 2, and 12 we have factor 4 into 3. Okay. So 4 cancel out, left out with 2 by 3. So is this in lowest term? No, not in the lowest term. 5 by 7 we have the factor 5 into 1, and 7 into 1. So we have common factor 1. Hence it is in lowest term. Minus 3 by 12. We get minus 1 by 4. So it was not in lowest term. Next, minus 6 by 7. So you have common factor 1. Hence it is in lowest term. 2 root 3 by root 27. So we can write root 27 as root 3 into root 9. 9 3 is 27. Okay. If we multiply these two, we will get root 27. Also, you can write it as in 3 into 9. Okay. You can write it in this way also. Both are equally correct. So you can write 2, root 3 cancel out 2, and 9 you can write as 3 square. Square and under root both will get cancelled. What will be remaining? We will get 2 by 3. Okay. Hence it was not in the lowest form. Few of the books have misprinted it as it is in lowest form. Okay. Please correct that. Next question is 15 by 24. You can easily figure this out that 15 has a factor 5 into 3 and 24 3 into 8. 3 got cancelled, remaining with 5 by 8. Hence this was also not in the lowest form. Which of the following rational numbers are integers? Okay, we already know the definition of integers. Let's find it out. Minus 10, it is already an integer. 15 by 5. 15 can be has a factor of 5 into 3 by 5. So 5 got cancelled out, equals to 3. Hence it is an integer. Minus 5 by 15. Okay, we get minus 1 by 3. It is not an integer. Then 13 by 5. We have the common factor as only 1. Okay, and no other common factor, so not an integer. It is a rational number. Next, 27 by 9. 27 can be written as 9 into 3. 9 got cancelled, we get 3, and it is an integer. 7 into 3 by 14. 7 into 3, 14 as a factor, 7 into 2, 7 got cancelled out, remaining with 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is a rational number, not an integer. Minus 6 by minus 2. We can write this in the form minus 2 into 3 whole divided by minus 2. Minus 2 got cancelled out, only 3. Hence it is an integer. Hence we'll solve question number 7, 8, 9 of Checker Progress 1.1 in the next video. So if you have any doubts from this, just put down your doubts in the comment section. I will solve it out and I will proceed to the next video. Okay, see you soon.